So I just wanted to shoot a quick video just to show you a demonstration of me using my multi-use massager with heat. It's a multi-use pillow, and I've showed this in other videos, but I actually just wanted to show a demonstration. So I'm having some foot massage going on here, and you can see the balls there, and it actually has heat as well. I'm going to be using this on several other areas for myself, but it goes in clockwise and counterclockwise, and so this is just great for getting the blood circulating, you know, in the foot, but also just good and therapeutic. So I just wanted to share this and let you see the demonstration, but this is part of the DIY Bodyworks treatment and everything all the time. It's not about just touching yourself, but it's just being able to use these different tools and techniques to be able to bring benefits to yourself without actually having to go to a massage therapist or so. So yeah, you have the ability to bring healing to yourself on multiple levels, whether you're touching yourself or you have tools that will help out. So I just wanted to share this, and hopefully this will inspire you to get something of this nature for yourself as well.